South Carolina.
Hilton Head Island. First time staying here. And they said this is going to be the best building on property.
It's on the point and it looks out over, they call it Cove.
So they have a key, magic band. How does this place work?
Yes, they gave me a key. Did I give it to you?
No, you gave me this. Shrimper's Gold, treasure of the East Coast. So where are we at?
We're on the second floor.
Building 31.
Building 31. Our room's 3122.
3122. It's a fish. This is a 2-bedroom villa.
Oh,
baby! Whoa.
we got over there too.
I smell the smell. It's wonderful.
Whoa!
Oh my goodness!
Look at this kitchen. Look at the plates.
Look at the
kitchen.
Look at the view.
Look at the kitchen. Look at the TV. Look at the plates.
What?
Oh, look at the view.
Look at the plates.
Oh my god.
This is like the coolest place we've ever stayed.
Oh.
You can go. There's cabinets.
This place is huge.
So look, there's 2 bathrooms connected. That's cool. Hey, look. Dad, there's a hot tub.
Oh my gosh, Matt.
See ya.
What?
Dad, look, you got a room so you can wash.
H2O. Brecken's in the tub already.
That's cool.
What? This is insane.
You know what's insane?
What's insaner?
Holy smokes. This place just goes and goes and goes.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, guys, come in here. Look.
Nice view.
Oh, and God.
I don't think they were kidding. This is probably like the best view in the whole place.
I know, you can see so much.
This is a 3 bed, so this is.
Here's another bathroom.
Oh
What?
my
You can even put DVD in this thing, Mom.
goodness. Why would you? You can look out the window.
This is crazy.
God.
Crazy huge.
Oh! Look at this thing. That's cool.
Whoa.
You guys,
Full kitchen, oven.
We got the.
What do you think?
Oh my God,
Coolest,
it's so
biggest room ever.
so big.
I think we got the right room.
We could have more kids then.
No, no.
What's this?
It's a shower.
How do I open? Guys,
What do you think, Arch?
Bye, guys.
Pretty cool. You're just happy to be able to run around. Oh, I bet people take baths in that.
Oh, let's go check out the porch.
Oh, we're gonna have to do like sunset, sunrise.
Oh my gosh.
Is this me?
Whoa.
Okay.
Okay, I'm taking a video.
Okay, this is pretty cool. Pretty cool.
We got a table and then benches. Oh my! She said we were able to see dolphins.
Yeah, they said there's dolphins out there and manatees.
Wow, this is excellent.
Look at this, buddy. Look at the view.
Where are the alligators?
They're probably out there. All right, what are your guys' thoughts
No, you.
before we do like an in-depth tour? What do you think?
I like how this. I like how that connects to the main and this connects to the bedroom. Yeah.
Yeah, what do you think?
I think there's so much space. There's so much space here. No,
Oh,
not
that's
yet,
out.
buddy.
That's down there.
Wait a minute.
What do you think, Breck?
There's a lot of space. I like how there's like a window to the outside and like enough beds for like there's another school. 3 families.
Yeah, I think it sleeps like 9, 10 people. Archer, what do you think?
Say Dada.
He's a man of few words. All right.
What do you think?
I guess it's like the biggest, coolest, awesomest place ever. The guy said it's like the twin to Old Key West, and we love Old Key West. But this is the twin before the remodel. The lobby was awesome. The people there are fantastic. We're gonna have to go back to the lobby, get some of that. It's just, this is blowing me away. It's beyond anything I thought it was gonna be. This is cool. This is cool Disney. No theme park, it's relaxing, it's away. You would never think that the ocean's like a half mile that way. This is cool.
We're gonna take them to the beach house and show them the beach house.
We're gonna have to go to the beach house and the pools and the shops.
So much to go. Let's
and
go
the
do
places
it.
to eat.
Go, go, go.
Dad, look, there's a golden pine cones. You see them? the doubles right there.
All right, we're gonna room review and explore and everything else. See ya.
So basic.
Hey guys, what are we gonna go do? We're going on a Mickey scavenger hunt. So if you go to the front desk and ask them for a hidden Mickey scavenger find, they will have them. And you get a piece of paper and they say if you find them all and bring it back, they're gonna give you a special prize. So let's go find some Mickeys.
This is the thing, and it also has it on the back.
Yep, there's a bunch to find, isn't there?
Oh, stop, Dad. Stop it.
Butterflies, go.
Dad, go in, Dave. Go in.
Look at the butterflies. Oh, that's so cool. There's actually a bunch of butterflies.
Dad, do you notice? Two eyes are made out of Easter eggs.
Look at that. That's like a serious cornhole. So throughout this place, there's different activities. This one's cornhole. We've seen a basketball court, bocce ball, miniature golf. There's just all these cool little places to hang out and activities to do. Lots of hammocks, lots of different places to grill and cook out. This place is awesome.
That butterfly came from the garden. Did he come from the garden? That butterfly.
That bike path takes you to the beach house. Beach house, private.
So this is Surfman Station in the middle of the beach house. There's the ocean and the pool. And I have this place to myself. That's probably like a legit flag. But it's just kind of like an indoor area that's air conditioned. And here's like a TV watching area. And it has all sorts of cool stuff on the wall. And here is free photo pass. Like, it'll take your picture, they got different backgrounds, and it prints it out. And there's different themes, and we did one, and it's Disney Hilton Head Island, like postcard. It was super cool, and it's for free. This is a really neat place. And here's the pool area. Over there is a bar and where you can order food. That's where you get refillable drinks. And there is the ocean and beach just right over there. It's a really cool beach house. There's the beach house. You never know that was Disney, but that's Disney.
Pretty good food, guys, don't you think? We're the only one.
Yeah.
Party here, plate, checkers.
Checkers.
Parker.
There's a lot of grills out here. A lot of people grilling for dinner.
You're the white king.
Bocce ball court. What?
Nothing. Whatever, Mom.
Alright, Hilton Head Island. So out there is the fishing pier, and here you can rent poles and they have bait and tackle and all that stuff. So you can go fishing at the end of the pier. And here is the community center, the rentals. Beyond the gate is the pool, and there's a shop up there. And they have a breakfast buffet, quick service location, the fire pits over here. Just a lot to do. This is kind of like the main hub, the main area. See lots of bikes. A lot of people like to ride bikes. It's a really good way of getting around here. Lots of hammocks, a lot of secluded areas.
Oh, gone fishing. Well, buddy. What do you need to see?
There's the Disney shuttle bus, and that'll take you to the beach house, or you can take a bike path over the bridge. But basically this is the bridge in, and this is Disney's little island at Hilton Head. And there's the main lodge up there. So where the bus comes and goes. This is where you check in.
So this is the pool. We have school frogs, which shoot water, 2 of them. So come here. There was a nice water. We're here at Hilton Head's Resort. It's a little slow at the bottom, but it'll do. We're here at Hilton Head's Resort. Here's my brother going down. I'm going down. Can I show him going down? And this is how you go down. You excited? Yes! Go! Okay. Go! Let's go. Enjoy. So this is Hilton Head Island Resort. We are at the main pool, and I'm going down. We're at the big pool, the main pool, and there is a bunch of hotels / really nice villas. So I just went down the Big Dipper water slide, and there is not too much to this place other than the water slide and a bunch of great activities. So we're gonna go up there and get a really good view of the place. Here's the view of everything. You can't really see much, but that's that. We're at Hilton Head Island, well, South Carolina. Hilton Head, South Carolina. So there's a little hot tub over there, if you guys can see, and then we got a regular pool here, and there is a pool for kids that cannot swim over there. So yeah, really like everything
At the pool or the resort?
Hilton Head.
It's really cool, isn't it?
Yeah.